Hello everyone, today I'd like to talk about some common mistakes to avoid in crypto affiliate marketing. This is a rapidly growing field with tremendous potential, but it's also fraught with pitfalls that can derail your efforts if you're not careful. First, not fully understanding the product or service you're promoting. It's vital to know the ins and outs of the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology you're recommending. This means taking the time to educate yourself about the specific coin or platform, how it works, its potential benefits, and its risks. If you lack knowledge, you could mislead your audience and damage your credibility. Remember, the more knowledgeable you are, the more effectively you can communicate the value of the product to your audience. Another common mistake is neglecting compliance with legal regulations. Different regions have specific rules regarding crypto advertisements and promotions. This includes disclosures about potential risks, disclaimers, and specific language that needs to be used. Failing to adhere to these regulations can result in hefty fines and irreparably damage your reputation. Keep up to date with the latest legal requirements in your region and consider consulting with a legal expert if you're unsure about the specifics. It's also critical to choose the right affiliate programs. Many marketers jump at the first opportunity without researching the program's reliability, payout structures, and support. This can lead to wasted effort and potentially associating with scams. Be diligent in your research, look for reviews from other affiliates, check the program's track record, and ensure they offer timely and fair payouts. Choosing a reputable affiliate program can make a significant difference in your success. Moreover, failing to create high-quality, valuable content is a major pitfall. Simply posting promotional links won't gain the trust of your audience. Instead, focus on creating informative, engaging content that genuinely helps people understand the crypto space better. This could include blog posts, video tutorials, infographics, and more. The goal is to provide value to your audience, which in turn builds trust and encourages them to use the links you provide. Lastly, not diversifying your strategies can be detrimental. Relying solely on one platform or method can limit your reach and growth. Explore various traffic sources, from social media to blogs and email marketing. Social media can drive quick engagement, while blogs and SEO can provide long-term traffic. Email marketing, on the other hand, can help you build a loyal audience. By diversifying your strategies, you can reach a broader audience and mitigate the risks associated with relying on a single traffic source. In conclusion, crypto affiliate marketing offers significant opportunities, but it's important to navigate the space carefully. By understanding the product, complying with legal regulations, choosing the right affiliate programs, creating high-quality content, and diversifying your strategies, you can avoid common mistakes and set yourself up for success. Thank you for listening. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enhance your success in crypto affiliate marketing.